guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new to my channel, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Pia. I create content on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. So if you want to join my YouTube squad, please do subscribe my channel. It will really mean a lot to me, and even hit that bell icon so whenever I post new video you get notified about it. So this beautiful black Hello Summer print top is from Urbanic. You can use my code PIA15 to get flat 15% off on the entire website, and even there's a detailed video of Urbanic haul on my channel. I'll be linking that video in the description box. Do check out. I have even told that how I have received a PR from Urbanic, and let's not further wait anymore and directly get into the video, guys. So today I'll be reviewing this Blue Heaven festive makeup kit combo. So you get two different combos in it. I have the medium tone combo with me, and you also get a fair tone combo. So I have created a makeup look, and I have posted the tutorial on Instagram, so you can check it out. That's really useful for the festive season, and also it has 4K plus views, so do check it out. And also if you are not following me on Instagram, do follow me over there. This is such a steal deal because you get 10 products for 999, which means each product is for 99, and I guess it's pretty affordable too. They have provided all the basic makeup products which you require for a full face makeup, and you can find this combo on Nykaa or on Blue Heaven Cosmetics official website. So firstly we have is this Blue Heaven high coverage foundation, which is ultra matte, stays up to 24 hours, and it's in the shade honey medium. It has SPF 50 in it, which means it will protect your skin from the UVB burning rays, and it is infused with primer, but I usually use primer before applying foundation. And it's also mentioned that it is waterproof and crease proof. This is how the packaging looks like. Let me show you the product. So this is the product, and as I already have my foundation on, so I'll just drop a pump over here to show you the shade and like how beautifully it blends. So you can see this is the shade. This is the shade honey medium. Just forgot to mention that this foundation has a mild fragrance in it, so if you are someone who has the problem of runny nose, so this might be a quite chaotic for you. Next we have is this Blue Heaven flawless makeup base primer, and this is how the packaging looks like. You get 16 grams of product in it. So this is oil free, and it has silk matte finish. This is how the product looks like. Just put a drop on my hand and show you guys. So it blends very easily. We have is this Blue Heaven Eye Pop eyeshadow ultra matte, which has 4 shades in it, and this in the shade caramel latte. So love the fact that you can see the shades from here. So it has a maroon shade, dark pink, a bit peachy shade, and this is in the shade like yellow kinda. So a picture might be popping up over here, and this look I have created using this eyeshadow palette. So the eye palette is really pigmented. Let me tell you guys, the shades are a bit shimmery, not the matte one usual which we use, so it's good for festive eye looks. So this is the yellow shade, this is the peachy shade, this is the dark pink, and this is quite like maroonish shade. Next we have is this Blue Heaven up to 12 hours stay 10x volumizing mascara. So this is how the packaging looks like, and you get 8 ml of product in it. So it is mentioned that it is waterproof, no clumping, and it's lightweight. The product is really compact. You can carry it anywhere. This is the applicator. I felt that this is good if you are a beginner. Next we have is this Blue Heaven up to 24 hours stay kajal with in the shade jet black, and it's mentioned that it is waterproof and smudge proof. You get 0.35 grams of product in it. Next we have is this Blue Heaven lip mousse ultra matte non-transfer lip color in the shade showgirl and satin oak. So showgirl is basically a popular shade, and this one is a brownish shade. You get 2.8 ml of products in it. Both are for 150 rupees each. Let me swatch this for you. If you can see, this is a purplish shade. Next we have is this satin oak shade, which is a brownish shade. As you can see, like chocolatey brown, dark chocolatey brown. This is a Blue Heaven Shimmer Matte Blush, and let me tell you, I love this blush. Highly pigmented, and if you are a beginner, you can avoid using a highlighter. So this is the blush, guys, and you can see it's super pigmented. Lastly, we have is the Blue Heaven Long Lasting Makeup Fixer. This works really good. This gives a dewy glow look, and it is written that it has silk matte finish and it dries out really quickly. This is their mini pack, and let me show you the product. This is how the product looks like. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys loved all the products, and let me know in the comments if you want more such review videos. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. Bye bye, guys. See you in my next video.